Hi, my name's Jeremy.
And I'm Naomi, and we just taught level 2 Charleston, Tandem that is.
This is the third week and we focused on fixing our basics and adding a couple of turns.
So a couple tips before we get into the new stuff were, when we're in tandem, making sure that the arms aren't cramped, they're down low, and they're swinging on these 2 tracks. And every time that one comes around, it's a new opportunity to swing it forward on the left. So if you're messed up, swing it forward on the left on 1, please, dear God. And then getting out of it, we were making a huge deal out of 7. Now we're just gonna make a little deal out of 7. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, get ready. Whee! Etc., etc., etc. So those are the main points. Things got a lot better. Then we showed you new stuff. You wanna show it straight ahead?
Sure.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, straight ahead like this. We got 1, 3, 5, 7, and hey.
We also did a turn, a full turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3.
And for that, we had everybody practice solo, and leaders and followers. You're gonna thank yourselves if you try a little bit of this. Let's face this way so you can practice with us at home. We're gonna do a basic and then a full turn. 5, 6, 7, and basic. Remember, point your belt buckle at the lobby to wind up, going around, back to basic. And then you just repeat, rinse and repeat, etc., etc., etc. Practice, bye, see you next week.